At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify acids, bases, and neutral substances. Identify the natural indicators, which are used to find out acids, bases, and neutral substances, and describe the indicators used in the laboratory to identify acids, bases, and neutral substances. You may have seen that when your mother prepares food, she adds vinegar, lime, garcinia, and tomato to add a taste to the food. Do you know that these substances have a sour taste? Most raw fruits have a sour taste. Have you ever thought, what caused this sour taste? The reason is that these foods contain chemical substances, called acids in them. For gastritis which occurs in the stomach, milk of magnesia tablet is taken orally. When a bee stings, baking soda is applied on the affected area. In many places, to decrease the acidity of the soil, lime is added to the soil. What is the reason for adding these things to reduce the acidity? The reason for this is, these things contain chemical substances called bases, which reduces the acidity of those substances. There are some substances, such as water, coconut oil, sugar solution, and surgical spirit, which don't have the qualities of acids, or base. These substances are called neutral substances. In this lesson, we will study about the methods, which can be used to identify acids, bases, and neutral substances separately. Most of the things we use are categorized into three groups, as acids, bases, and neutral substances, according to their qualities. Do you know how to separate acids, bases, and neutral substances? Let us do a simple experiment for that. For that you need a solution of boiled red shoe flowers, lime juice, vinegar, soap water, salt solution, water, and lime water, in separate test tubes in equal volumes, and a dropper. As you know, lime juice is acidic. When the solution of boiled red shoe flower is added with the help of a dropper, the color of that turns into red color. You know that vinegar is acidic. When the solution of boiled red shoe flower is added with the help of a dropper, the color of that turns into red color. You know that the soap solution is basic. When the solution of boiled red shoe flower is added with the help of the dropper, the color of it turns into blue color. You know that the salt solution is neutral. When the solution of boiled red shoe flower is added with the help of the dropper, the color of it doesn't change. You know that water is neutral. When the solution of boiled red shoe flower is added with the help of the dropper, the color of it doesn't change. You know that lime water is basic. When the solution of boiled red shoe flower is added with the help of the dropper, the color of it turns into blue color. When considering all the above observations, it is clear that boiled red shoe flower's solution gives one color with the acids, and another color with bases. It doesn't change the color with neutral substances. According to that, by using boiled red shoe flower's solution, the acidic, basic, or neutral property of a substance can be identified. In this way, the substances which give different colors with acids and bases are known as indicators. Boiled red shoe flower's solution, used in the above experiment, can be considered as an indicator, prepared by substances from the natural environment. Apart from that, there are some other indicators, which can be made of materials taken from the natural environment. As examples, a solution of boiled red cabbage, boiled turmeric solution, boiled blue catarolu flower solution, can be shown. Boiled red shoe flower solution gives a red color in acidic medium, and blue color in basic medium. Similarly, a solution of boiled red cabbage gives red color in acidic medium and blue color in a basic medium. Boiled turmeric solution gives yellow color in acidic medium and red color in basic medium. Similarly, a solution of boiled blue catarolu flower gives red color in acidic medium and yellow color in a basic medium. In this way, you can examine the acidic, basic, and neutral properties by using a few types of natural indicators. You already know that natural indicators can be used to test acidic, basic, and neutral properties of various substances. Do you know that, in school laboratories, what is used to identify acids and bases? Before that, we will study about few acids and bases found in the school laboratory. Sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and hydrochloric acid can be shown as few examples of the acids which are mostly used in the laboratories. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and calcium hydroxide can be shown as few examples for bases which are mostly used in the laboratories. Try to identify some other acids and bases in the laboratory with the help of your teacher. As most of the acids and bases found in the laboratory are hazardous, it's essential to handle them with care when using them and avoid touching them. There are many indicators which can be used to identify acids, bases, and neutral substances in the laboratory. As examples for those, litmus papers, pH papers, phenolphthalein, and methyl orange can be shown. There are two types of litmus. One type is blue in color, and the other type is red in color. Blue litmus turns into red color in the acidic medium, and it does not change the color in the basic medium. Red litmus does not change the color in the acidic medium, and it turns into blue color in the basic medium. Therefore, by using litmus papers, acids and bases can be identified separately. pH papers are a kind of yellow color paper strips with a colored scale. That scale has numbers from 1 to 14, and for each number, there is a color. The substances, which give the colors of the scale from 1 to 6, are considered as acids, and the substances, which give the colors of the scale from 8 to 14, are considered as bases. The solutions which give number 7 color, is a neutral substance. Accordingly, red, orange, and yellow colors are given in the acidic medium, while dark green, blue, and purple colors are given in the basic medium. By dipping a pH paper in a solution, and comparing the color of that with the pH scale, we can identify the acidic, basic, and neutral properties of it. Phenolphthalein is a kind of white powder, and the colorless solution, which is obtained by dissolving it in ethanol, or surgical spirit, is known as phenolphthalein indicator. It doesn't change the color in acidic medium, and turns into pink color in basic medium. Methyl orange is a kind of yellowish orange powder, and yellow color solution, which is obtained by dissolving it in water, is known as methyl orange indicator. It turns into a red color in the acidic medium, and doesn't change the color in the basic medium. In this lesson, we studied about the natural indicators, which are used to identify acids, bases, and neutral substances, and a few indicators, which are used to identify acids, bases, and neutral substances in the laboratory.
Candela, smart learning for greater knowledge. Grade 6 to 11 science. based on the local curriculum. To order online, log on to www.keralalearning.lk or call us on 0777 185 329.